ain't nothing like loving you, loving you, loving you. It ain't nothing like loving you, loving you, loving you. It ain't nothing like loving you.
Loving you isn't easy. The thought about it made me sleepy. I was gonna call, then I got the wrong impression while thinking. Maybe.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Moniakayy. If you already subscribed, what's up fam, and thank you for coming back and rocking with me, or rocking with me. So y'all, for this video I'm doing this cute little quick Valentine's Day look. This is look number 2, I believe, that I'm doing. This look is so easy peasy. Anybody can do this look. If y'all know me and y'all watch my videos, y'all know I am not a fan of doing under the eye stuff. Sometimes y'all, I do, you know, throw that into some of the looks, but that's not my cup of tea. For now, maybe in the future it will be my cup of tea, but since I don't like tea at all, it's not in my cup, okay? This look is so cute and so simple and so easy. You could just throw it on super quick on Valentine's Day and go out and eat with your man or your woman. You feel me? Like, you get cute. You be like, yes baby, I slayed real quick for you, and it was literally real quick for you, okay? But y'all, I just want to say I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for supporting me. Thank you for clicking on this video and actually watching this video. Let's get on with this video. Alright, so I'm gonna go into the Aphrodite palette and go on with this color called Flirts, and I'm gonna focus this color in the crease of my eye and blend it outwards and upwards to start the cut crease. And I'm gonna make sure my crease is more deep pink, and then just blend it upwards and outwards. I'm gonna take this shimmery beautiful color called Tease, and I'm gonna put this under my brow bone for my brow bone highlight. Then I'm gonna go into the Athena palette, and I'm gonna take this color called Justice, and I'm also gonna focus this color in my crease and blend it upwards and outwards, also deepening that crease up. Then I'm going to go on my concealer palette, and this is going to be me starting to cut this crease, y'all. When I'm cutting my crease, I make sure I really take my time and figure out where I want this cut crease to go, where I want everything to be in place. You also got to remember, you got to have both of the eyes to look the same. So when you're doing your cut crease, make sure you're taking your time. This video is sped up, but I did take a lot of time in doing this. I'm gonna spray this brush, and then I'm gonna go into the Athena palette, and I'm gonna take the color Medusa, and I'm gonna put this color right over the concealer because I wanted this color to have the concealer to stick to. This color was beautiful, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that Justice and run it right across the top, just so the cut crease is sharp as ever. I want it to be cutting niggas for Valentine's Day. Cutting them. Taking my brush and just blending it out because you don't want everything to look blotchy. Then I'm just going to take some Santee eyeliner pen and just line my lid. That's it. No wing today, y'all. Y'all already know Mahliyah love a wing, but no wing. So I slipped on some lashes, and I'm just doing my foundation. I really sped through this because y'all should know about my foundation already. If not, it's 355 Coconut Maybelline. And I'm just using a kabuki brush to, you know, blend all of that into my skin. Blend it into my skin. You know what I mean. Just blend it in. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn. And I'm also going to blend that in. Y'all know I kind of started to love using a beauty blender. But I was testing out these brushes that I bought for the first time. That's why I'm using a brush. But damn, beauty blender would do this part so much justice, y'all. Like the color I used on my lids and my cut crease. Now I'm just gonna take my powder. This is Zuri for Women of Color loose powder in the color translucent, and of course you gotta set that concealer. And I set my forehead, even though I don't put concealer up there, but my forehead is big and oily. Now I'm putting on my blush. This is Colormates blush. This is in Sunkissed Tan, my fave blush. And going into my contour kit from Makeover Essentials and contour my face. You know, highlight gotta be popping. I took a little bit of that tease in the Aphrodite palette or the Athena palette, can't remember which one, but I took a little bit of that tease and I used that as a highlight, honey, because that color was mad popping. So that's where that highlight came from, and it was super pretty on my face, if I must say so myself. Actually, I took a little bit of Medusa and tease. I blended them together, so it kind of gave me like a peachy, super smacking glow.